And now for our next hat, again, we're using the double hex base. We've got the 2 layers of the hex. What we're gonna do with this one, we're gonna take each of our bubbles that comes out. What you wanna do is make a hand width bubble, just like that. And then I'm gonna make a loop. And the loop is just a little wider than my hand when it's folded in half. You can see how it sticks up just a little bit there. And the reason I do that wide is because I want to have room to stick a 260 through there. So what you're going to do is on each of our pieces that are sticking up, you're going to go and make just that hand width bubble, and then that loop, and just do that all the way around. So you've got all 6 of them done up like that. One more. Now I've got 6 pieces sticking up with 6 loops on there, and that, again, a lot of these you can stop partway through if you want, and you get a really interesting looking hat like that. But now, the next phase, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of the tails, and I'm going to poke it through the loop next to it. So you just take and open it up, and poke it through just a little bit, just so it pokes through, like that. And then you're going to go to the next one, and just poke them through just a little bit till you work your way all the way around, just taking, poking each tail sticking up to the loop adjacent to it. And this is a very quick hat once you get to this phase. You just poke them through so they're all poking through about the same like that, and you get a nice little spoke look going on there. Then we're just going to take all of our little end, there are little bubbles on the end of it. There we go, just to give it that extra character. And you can see how that really, it's a bit large for the camera screen there when it's turned up on its end, but you can see that is a really large and fun hat.